Nothing has launched two new earbuds, the Nothing Ear and the Ear A, each bringing unique features. The Nothing Ear boasts a see-through design, 11mm, drivers with a ceramic diaphragm for superior sound quality, and supports high-res codecs like LHDC 5.0 and LDAC, ensuring 24-bit, 192 kHz streaming. It also includes advanced noise cancellation up to 45 decibels and a personalized audio profile system. Additionally, it offers up to 40.5 hours of battery life, fast wireless charging, and improved call quality. The Ear A, on the other hand, targets a more budget-friendly market segment without skimping on key features. It offers deep bass with a new driver design, high-res audio certification, and maintains the same advanced noise cancellation tech. The case is redesigned for a smaller look, and battery life extends to 42.5 hours. Both models integrate ChatGPT for a seamless AI experience, allowing users to interact with the AI directly through the earbuds. These innovative earbuds are set to revolutionize personal audio technology, combining affordability with cutting-edge features. The new Nothing Ear and Ear A earbuds are here, each distinctively designed to cater to different market segments. The Nothing Ear continues to feature the transparent design that is a hallmark of the brand, coupled with an 11mm driver system that includes a ceramic diaphragm for enhanced sound clarity. It supports high-resolution audio codecs like LHDC 5.0 and LDAC, ensuring lossless music streaming at 24-bit, 192 kHz, enhanced by a dual-chamber design and Smart ANC technology, which adjusts noise cancellation up to 45 decibels based on environmental noise. It delivers a superior listening experience. Personal audio profiles further tailor sound to individual hearing preferences. The earbuds also boast a battery life of up to 40.5 hours, fast wireless charging, improved voice call quality, and intuitive pinch controls. On the other hand, the Ear offers a more affordable option, without sacrificing much in terms of functionality. It features a playful yellow color, a new driver for deep bass, and the same high-res audio certification and Smart ANC technology as the premium model. The case is more compact, and battery life is slightly better at 42.5 hours. Both models come equipped with the latest Nothing OS, integrating ChatGPT to provide seamless AI interactions directly through the earbuds. This integration represents a step forward in making AI technology accessible and convenient, offering users a hands-free way to interact with their devices. With their innovative design and cutting-edge features, the Nothing Ear and Ear A are set to redefine the personal audio experience, making high-quality sound and AI accessibility available to a wider audience. The Nothing Ear and Ear A earbuds represent a significant leap in audio technology and user experience. The Nothing Ear features an innovative see-through design and is powered by an 11mm driver system with a ceramic diaphragm, which provides unparalleled sound clarity and quality. It supports advanced high-resolution audio codecs like LHDC 5.0 and LDAC, offering users the experience of 24-bit, 192 kHz lossless audio streaming. The earbuds are engineered with a dual-chamber design to enhance sound quality and include a new Smart ANC technology, which actively adjusts the noise cancellation up to 45 decibels, based on ambient noise, nearly doubling the effectiveness compared to its predecessors. Personal audio profiles allow for customized sound settings, ensuring that each user experiences sound tailored to their hearing. The earbuds also feature extended battery life of up to 40.5 hours, rapid wireless charging, and improved voice call quality with intuitive pinch controls for easy operation. On the other hand, the Ear A provides a more cost-effective alternative. While maintaining many of the premium features, it comes in a striking yellow color and includes a new driver design for deep bass performance, high-res audio certification, and the same advanced noise cancellation technology. The case has been redesigned for a more compact look, and the battery life is slightly longer at 42.5 hours. Both models incorporate the latest Nothing OS and feature seamless integration with ChatGPT, allowing for direct communication with the AI via the earbuds. This integration is part of Nothing's commitment to simplifying the AI experience, making it more accessible and user-friendly. The Nothing Ear and Ear are not just about listening to music. They're about integrating cutting-edge technology with everyday life, offering a gateway to a more connected and technologically advanced audio experience. The Nothing Ear and Ear earbuds integrate advanced AI capabilities, setting a new standard in the consumer electronics market. These earbuds not only offer high-quality audio and robust noise cancellation, but also include AI-driven features that enhance user interaction and personalization. The integration of ChatGPT allows users to interact with an AI directly from their earbuds, facilitating seamless communication and providing tailored responses based on user input and context. This feature is part of a larger trend where AI is increasingly becoming a fundamental component of everyday devices, enhancing their functionality and making them more intuitive. Beyond communication, these AI features can adapt to various environments and personal preferences, offering a custom audio experience that adjusts in real time. This includes adjusting sound levels based on surrounding noise or user activity, suggesting that the future of personal electronics will not only be about enhancing current functionalities, but truly transforming how users engage with their devices on a daily basis. The integration of AI into the Nothing Ear and Ear indicates a shift towards more connected and responsive consumer technology, where personal devices act not just as tools, but as intelligent companions that enhance everyday life. The integration of AI technologies such as ChatGPT into devices like the Nothing Ear and Ear represents a significant advancement in consumer electronics, blending high-quality audio features with smart, personalized capabilities. These earbuds are pioneers in offering users not just superior sound and noise cancellation, but also an interactive AI experience that can adapt to personal preferences and environmental changes. The potential for AI in personal devices extends to providing real-time health monitoring, language translation, and enhanced accessibility features. This includes monitoring vital signs or environmental factors, offering real-time feedback and adjustments to sound based on the user's current activity or surroundings. Furthermore, the ability to seamlessly connect and interact with other smart devices in the home or broader smart environments could revolutionize daily routines. These features highlight the shift towards more intelligent and integrated living spaces, where devices not only respond to commands but anticipate needs and act autonomously to enhance user comfort and efficiency. As we look to the future, the role of AI in consumer electronics will continue to grow, not only making devices smarter, but also forging new ways for technology to enhance human life. This video explores the deep integration of AI in earbuds like Nothing Ear and Ear and considers the broader implications for future technological developments in personal and home electronics. The integration of AI technologies, such as ChatGPT, into consumer electronics like the Nothing Ear and Ear earbuds signifies a pivotal shift in how we interact with technology. These earbuds not only provide high-quality audio and advanced noise cancellation, but also offer a direct interface with AI, allowing users to communicate with ChatGPT seamlessly. This feature represents a broader trend in the tech industry, where smart capabilities are being embedded into everyday wearables, enhancing user experience and functionality. The potential of AI in earbuds extends beyond simple voice commands. It includes real-time translation, contextual awareness, and personalized acoustic adjustments based on the environment and user preferences. By analyzing how these technologies are being adopted, we can gain insights into future developments in smart wearables and their impact on lifestyle and consumer choices. This video explores the significance of AI integration in earbuds and forecasts future trends in the intersection of AI and consumer electronics.